We're here in Oakland at the Life Success Academy, part of the Oakland Unified School District, here to celebrate the opening of an amazing new field here, as well as all sorts of incredible opportunities for soccer in schools and soccer in communities all across Oakland.
Yeah, today was very special. We started off with the coaches workshop, highlighting some of the local coaches that are doing great things in the community. And now we're finishing off with the youth workshop, allowing the kids to play, immerse themselves, give them a safe space to play. This field opened up less than a month ago.
This is our fourth field that we have opened over the last 2 years. Our goal is to actually build or refurbish a field or a place to play in every single county of the Bay Area. And so this is Oakland and Alameda County's field. It is awesome and a beautiful pitch. A really great fusion of sport on the field and art all the way around, with kids having access to this place.
Yeah, it was great to meet the coaches. I think the importance of understanding what they go through, who they're serving, the resources that they need, it allows us to better provide more clarity and a roadmap for what's to come.
Well, what's so exciting about today's like today is it really shows the power of when people come together, we can do amazing things. There are so many people here in Northern California who love our sport, who want more kids to be able to experience it, and that of course starts with a great group at Cal North. You've got such an incredible history of soccer in this country, in this community. So many great clubs, so many great community organizations. Today is just another great example of when people come together, we can unlock opportunities to make soccer the #1 played sport in every community in this country.